So shosho mfuthi ngoro sesibona na ishashazo ngathi ulengo trezo lena ozoyibona lana kule video kusolakala ukuthi onkosi ngama allegedly lensizwa lena kwelakubo yahamba uqhaqhala amaqala okuthinta amaqala okubulala lezo izinsolo those are allegations ngalensizwa lena zangaza kwethu ukuthi ila nje babiza ngane i-refugee umuntu onjalo ubalekile ezweni lakhe ebaleke ubugebengu abenzile ezweni lakhe ayikwenlinye izwe so singenza ukuthi mento tells you something ngalama mashi yes mhlawumbe because alikho isokani ngenasik yes ungabeka ububi ngalaba mashi but at some time you can't deny the fact that nkosi yami sasibona izinto zenzakala and le is one of them kula abangayibonanga ivideo synthetic clip niyibona nensizwa nibona ngendlela futhi egoloza ngayo okhomsa usobana ukuthi le insizwa and lama reporters evela shulensisa leniyakunga hole cause yabatshela straight ukuthi mina ngikhulume nonsense kerarayeme what's up man
the government of Nigeria have...
I'm not from Nigeria, I speak English.
I'm speaking English.
Yeah, I'm from Malawi, I'm a visitor here.
Yes, and do you have papers?
Yes, I got.
Where?
Are you a police?
I am.
Are you a police? Show me ID.
I'm telling you right now that we are here in Johannesburg and we said we're going to be here for a longest time, no crime to be committed, and we are as peaceful as we are. But the Nigerian government have declared why you doing it in your own country? Why? We are tired and you must know it.
I want to buy things here.
Yes.
I was chained. Don't tell me nonsense. You don't know. What is your problem?